The world of gay dating apps can often feel like a frustrating maze, riddled with ghosting, catfishing, and unwelcome advances. But despite these challenges, they remain an absolutely essential tool for gay men seeking genuine connections. In 2025, a surprising 63% of LGBTQ+ adults have used a dating app, a significantly higher rate than non-LGBTQ+ individuals, underscoring their critical role in our lives. If you're ready to revolutionize your dating experience, make sure to check the links in the description for direct access to these top apps. Number 1. Grindr, undeniably still the reigning monarch, yet its throne is visibly wobbling. Plagued by a free version crammed with ads and a notorious hookup reputation, many gay men are actively seeking more fulfilling alternatives beyond casual encounters. Number 2. AdultFriendFinder emerges as a strong contender, chosen by readers as the ultimate destination for purely casual connections, offering transparency without mixed signals. Number 3. Hinge shines as a fantastic option for regular meetups and fostering deeper, more meaningful relationships, having made incredible strides in inclusivity for the gay community. Number 4. Scruff carves out its niche, proving to be an invaluable platform for those within specific sub-communities looking for tailored connections outside the mainstream. And finally, number 5. Field expertly caters to very specific desires and kinks, providing a truly judgment-free space for exploration and unique connections. The amazing news for 2025 is that the gay dating app landscape is richer and more diverse than ever before, promising a tailored experience for every gay man, whether you're looking for a quick chat or a lifelong partner.